Good day, sir. Now I'll be going through my understanding of what I've done in part 3, so here I go. First and foremost, I created a new variable, which is the task, reminder memory, the activity log, and the password. No, not the password. The task and activity log memorable, which I made them to be lists. So if I were to go down, see. Here would be the reminder part for the where I added the NLP. So if the question you type in contains these variables, it makes use of this method, which I'll go through in a little bit, and it checks if it's null or not. So if null or not, so it also adds the activity. It also adds the activity to a count to where it counts that as a NLP task. So it will respond with this. Else, if it doesn't understand, it will respond with this. Then it returns. And if you want to see your task history, your question must contain this. If you haven't done anything, it will not have added any task. Else it will, depending on how many tasks you have done, it will show the task and what you've done here. And all these have the NLP request, so you can see if whenever you ask for a password and phishing and all these options here. Here's what the extract task does. It removes some common words such as these and replaces them with these. Same with the time words. And it will capitalize the first letter. The quiz variables basically contains the questions, answers, and correct answer. Here is where it contains the list of the question and the answers. It contains 10 questions. And here what this does is when you click on the give it a sec. When you click on the cyber quiz here, it will add a few panels to make them visible and show the score. That is 0 because you haven't started yet. That's where you will be answering all the questions from above. This will load the question. And this is where it will compare your answers to check if they're correct or not. Oh no, that's not what it does. This is where it will do that. And if it's correct, it'll respond with this. Also say incorrect answer and show the correct answer depending on the question. They'll make the answer button visible. The next button click will load the other question in the list. Once you click the finish quiz, it will show the quiz panel, the answer panel, what you've done. If your score is 8 and above, it'll respond with that. Also, it'll respond with this if it's 5 or above. Also, it'll tell you to keep practicing. The add activity basically stores actions with timestamps. So you would have been seeing that throughout what I've been showing. This basically displays the activity log. It will only display at max 10 options, and yeah, that's it.